Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Honista and loading the story you want to edit. Make sure the canvas is ready. Next, select the specific element, text box, image, or card that should show the round edge mention. Once selected, open the element inspector and enable the round edge mention toggle so the feature is active. This step initiates the effect. It prepares Honista to render the rounded mention and sets default values you can tweak in the next steps. Now refine the shape and exact placement so the mention reads cleanly. Set the corner radius using px or %. Larger numbers increase curvature. Then adjust offset x and offset y to position the round edge relative to the element and tweak z-index so it sits above or below other layers. Once done, use Honista's preview mode and snap to grid to confirm alignment. If the mention overlaps text, reduce size or shift position. These adjustments ensure both aesthetics and readability. Finish by exporting or publishing the story in the format you need. Pick PNG, SVG, or the Honista package so mentions remain editable. Then test on the actual device or browser to verify scale and contrast. If the round edge mention looks wrong, reset the radius to default, reapply offsets, and clear Honista cache before reloading the project. This often fixes visual glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: if placement still misbehaves,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.